Welcome back there, Coastal Bad Meteorologist Diamond Dixon here. Well, we have a look at our first community bank overlooking the USS Lexington and, of course, our New Harbor Bridge. A little shaky because of our increased winds today from that colder, drier air that moved through. Once again, I know that we're not cold here, but that's still the definition of what a cold front is. Now, past 10 hours, we still started off warmer today, and we had a warm afternoon. We spent most of our afternoon and into the early evening into those 80s and 90s. From the 90s in particular, we were in there from about 1 to 4 o'clock. We still saw the warmest part of our day between 2 and 4 p.m., hitting a high today of 93, which was very close to our record in 2004. At 94 degrees. Now our lows are definitely very different, 47 versus 73, but for the most part we're still warm and we still have warmer temperatures in the forecast. So now that cold fronts came through this morning, and now we have a little bit drop there in humidity values for us. As far as temperatures, we still once again will be fairly warm and above normal. Now with these dew point forecasts, we're looking ahead to about 6 o'clock. Mainly our northern neighborhoods will feel comfortable as far as, once again, the feels of outside. We're more so muggy and still will dip into our oppressive range. So mainly looking towards Beeville and George West, kind of getting to feel more of the cooler air and comfortable air, I should say. And then we return once again back to those muggy ranges headed into next week. So we had the dip earlier today, and now we'll be between very humid and humid throughout this week coming up until Friday. So dew points will still be pretty up there. Temperatures right now 88 here in Corpus Christi, looking at 89 for Robstown, also same for Kingsville, and 85 for Port Aransas, 86 for Rockport and the Naval Air Station, but we're still seeing 90s on the map, 95 for Hepburnville, 92 for Freer, 94 for San Diego and Alice. So still warm across our neighborhoods in our 5 o'clock hour. Current winds also increased as well. Out of the east-southeast for Corpus Christi at 22 miles per hour, 15 for Rockport and Port Aransas, and about 18 at the Naval Air Station. As we go hour through hour there, we're going to get back into those upper 70s by 10 o'clock tonight. And we'll also see mid-70s by 2 and 3, also waking up into our Monday morning in that 75-degree range. Once again, temperatures still stay above normal for quite some time until about that next Wednesday, closer to, we're looking at October 28th and the 29th to get a little bit of relief in that heat again. We're also looking at 60s and 70s for our lows tonight. And here's a good look at your temperatures for the next 7 days out.